Alright, guys. So IceFX News Info. This is an informational news indicator that displays economic news affecting multiple currency pairs on a chart, and this is very important to use when you are using expert advisors. In my case, here I'm using Forex Diamond EA, and also I'm using another one which no I told you about it. It's 7G Robot Pro, and as you can see, I got this alert here. I am receiving 10 minutes before a news occurs, as you can see at 1:30, and now the time is 1:28, and 1:30 we have a news release here. So, okay, I set it this to show all the news because I want to see how this works, and more important is that this will automatically disable your expert advisor during high impact news. Yes, this is very nice, and as you can see here, iFix News, we have an info with 10 minutes before, and as you can see, next news at 3:30, so 1 minute, and disable expert advisor. Yeah, all right, let's put it okay here. Wow, Euro USD, a big drop down, and the balance has increased, as you can see here. Oh, what a big move here. Let's see the history again. And we have this one here, Euro USD 1000, as you can see, 1144. Yes, nice numbers here. All right. So we have 5116 dollar profit. So this was here a big volatility in the market, and as you saw it here on the other one, I think here I forgot to enable the indicator, but as you can see here, and I will enable again right now because the volatility is gone. So we have big winnings here, 210. Let me go ahead, and 47,000, as you can see here, cents. Look at how big is this one with 500 lots. 66,333 again. All right, here we have a 54,000 euro cents here, or dollar cents, uh, a loss. All right, and as you can see, so the most important it is here, it is the profit. We have 300,017,792.63 cents profit here with using 7G Robot Pro. This is insane. Yes, and let's go. This is a demo account, and this is a real account. Once again, here I started with 7G Robot Pro 10 days before, and as you can see already, we have 16,332. Let me show you a little bit quick. I have also let me show you the stats here on where is it? Let's see the stats here on my FX book, real MT4 account. This is a real MT4 portfolio, and gain, as you can see here, 29.89% and 27.66 absolute gain. All right, so this is insane. This is insane. Big profits. Let's see drop down here. These are the drop down number: 3.51, 0.13, 1.53. This is crazy. All right, this is crazy. So let's go back to the indicator. This is the purpose of this video. I wanted to show you this indicator, and as you can see here, the price is still going down. Let me show you a little bit what's all about this indicator. This is a news indicator. Anyways, if you want this news filter, this news informational indicator, to use it on your MT4 platform, just go ahead below this video in the description area. You'll have a link which will take you to a blog post when my on my website, and there be able to download for free this indicator. This will help you a lot, as you saw it here, as I showed you here during this big volatility in the market. It will automatically disable your expert advisor. And what's all about this one? You'll find you'll have an archived folder. You just need to unarchive it. You'll need WinRAR on your computer, unarchive it, and then extract the files. You'll have two files there. Let me show it to you. I have it here on my computer. IceFX NewsInfo. You'll have two files, indicators and libraries, and just copy and paste this one. For example, AX4 Fire, you will go to your MT4 platform, go to File, open data folder. I explain again for those of you who are new to my channel and you are new to trading, to online trading, MQL4, then go to indicators and just paste that AX4 file here. I already have it here. You just paste it here. And the other one, let me go ahead. You go to the folder again, to the indicators. You go back to your libraries. You have another file. Just copy this one. Yes, copy, and then go back to the other on the terminal, the folder on the terminal, the MQL4, and then go back and you go to libraries. Yes, let me close it. So you go again with the other folder, go to file, open data folder, sorry, file, open data folder, go to MQL4, and then not to indicators, the other one, the second, the libraries, the DLL files, just paste it here. As you can see, I have it here. I see FX Newsroom, and then close it, go here, just refresh. Yes, and you will see it here. You'll see the file IceFX, and then just drag and drop this file to any chart you want to use it. Then inside these files, inside this indicator, go to the indicator list, then go here to click on it, and you'll have the inputs. Yes, and here you will set everything to true. Sorry, you will set, let me go ahead. You will have to be careful here on news before minutes. Here you can put how many minutes you want to receive the as you saw it there, the information that the news will occur, 10 minutes, half an hour, however. I put it on 10 minutes, and then here news after in again, 10 minutes, and then here disable expert advisor. This will be by default set on false. Yes, and if you want the indicator to disable your expert advisor, put it on true, click on true, and that's it. And here news before in, you set it again. You can set this one in on 10 or 30 minutes, how much you want. High events, and here minimum impact, this is set on high events, as you can see. Yes, that's why the indicator doesn't disable my expert advisor, because this wasn't this one here at 130, farm employee, non-farm employee on USD wasn't a high event. It was a medium event or low event, because all the events are with red, all the high events are with red. So that's why it's better to put it here on medium events. Let's put it on medium, and you can leave the other settings as they are. Yes, click OK, and that's it. Now this one should disable your expert advisor. All right, guys, so that's pretty much is about this indicator, IceFX News Info. Use it wisely. It's for MT4 platform. Currency pairs, you can use it on any currency pairs, indices and metals. Trading time, any trading session, time frame, on any time frame, and recommended. I use it on RoboForex. You can use it on every broker you want. It's available on any broker. You will have it for free below this video in the description area. You'll find links to all the EAs that I'm using right now. 7G Robot Pro and Forex Diamond EA. You'll find a link to the broker that I'm using, RoboForex. You'll find a link to this indicator, which is free, and you'll find a link to the VPS. Very important when you are using Expert Advisor, use a VPS, virtual private server. This is very important. Watch previous videos why you need a private server, because it your indicators, your expert advisors will run 24/7 without interruption, which is very, very important when you are trading using expert advisors. All right, guys, please share this video to your friends to see how cool is this indicator, and please like this video, and also put some comments in the comments area if you have question, of course. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice weekend. Bye.